Corning is collaborating with SnapCab to introduce into the market beautiful, modular, innovative elevator interior designs. The reason SnapCab is such a good fit for Corning is the fact that they are quality focused, they're innovative, and more specifically, they're focused on customer needs and requirements. Gorilla Glass is being used widely, specifically in the consumer electronics market, where it's been used on more than 2.4 billion devices. Mobile phones, laptops, notebook computers, but we're now spreading into other markets.
The same attributes that have made Gorilla Glass so popular for the consumer electronics market are helping architects, building owners, and designers with their interior architectural needs. Gorilla Glass is durable, scratch-resistant, and easy to clean. It minimizes your maintenance and gives you a glass that looks as good on day 1000 as it did on day number 1.
What's most exciting for me as a cabinet maker is that when you do a wood paneling in Gorilla Glass, you use a photographed image where we'd go and photograph the actual sequence matched wood paneling. Then we'd use the image on the Gorilla Glass and it looks exactly like wood with a very high-end finish. The benefit of this is if you had done it in real wood and if one was ever damaged, the entire job is scrapped. With Gorilla Glass, you can just reprint that one panel and you're back to a new high-end finish that matches the others perfectly.
It's a blank canvas that can be used to allow us to have all types of materials on elevators, specifically wood, stainless steel, graphics, could be someone's company logo, or even just plain colors. One of the hardest colors to do is white, and with the soda lime glass, there will always be a greenish tint.
Gorilla Glass is optically clear, which means your whites are brilliant, your colors are vibrant, and your images and logos are going to pop. Cabs are getting thinner, cabs are getting lighter. Everyone is trying to make things more efficient. We're doing our part by providing a thin, lightweight panel that can be installed easily.
What SnapCab does and focuses on is innovation. They've done a fantastic job working with us and quickly identifying opportunities and coming up with solutions to problems.
Our modular wall paneling system is a simple framework that will never change. The modular part of it makes it so the technology that works with the paneling can always change. Modular panels gives the control to the customer to be able to put it in quick, easily, update it at any time, at any location, unlike custom work, which is far more expensive and dependent on your local talent. With Gorilla Glass, we haven't even scratched the surface of possibilities.